Hey scholars, for some reason, the video I normally put up here, not working right now. That's okay. We're gonna go through it like this, alright? So, it is officially May the 4th. Yay. So, in honor of May the 4th, I thought we would do an application problem that had to do with Star Wars. Of course we did. So, let's read this together, shall we? It's May the 4th. Miss B is watching all nine Star Wars movies. I hope this is true. We'll see how much work I get done. Each movie is 2.5 hours long. If Miss B takes 15-minute breaks between each movie, how long will it take her to complete her binge watch? Very helpful. We're going to figure out how long I'm going to spend of my day watching these movies. Let's think about it. How many movies? 9, right? We got episodes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So, I'm going to split my tape diagram into 9 pieces, right? Movie 1, movie 2, movie 3, movie 4, movie 5, movie 6, movie 7, movie 8, and here is movie 9. How long is each one? 2.5 hours. So this will be 2.5. And come on, I got this. Come on, you can do it. This will be 2.5. No, that's a big old 2. Come on. This will be 2.5. This will be 2.5. This will be 2.5. This will be 2.5. That's a little small, so I'm just going to put down here. This will be 2.5. This will be 2.5. And this will be 2.5. So how many hours am I going to spend just on the movies? Let's see. 2.5 plus 2.5. So what I'm doing now is I'm finding out how long these 2 movies would take, right? 2.5 plus 2.5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Put 0 down there, carry the 1. 1 plus 2 plus 2, that's 5. And make sure I put my decimal. So this is going to be 5 hours. 2 movies, every 2 movies will be 5 hours. So if this is 5 hours, this will be 5 hours, right? So here's episodes 1 and 2. Episodes 3 and 4 is 5 hours. Episodes 5 and 6 is 5 hours. Episodes 7 and 8 is 5 hours. And then episode 9, all by itself, we don't have something to pair it with, will be 2.5 hours. So let's add that all together, right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 5s, so that's 5, 10, 15, 20, plus 2.5. So it's 22.5 hours just for the movies. I'm going to say M for movies. Now, how much is 0.5 of an hour? Remember, an hour is 60 minutes, right? So 0.5, or half an hour, and looks like I'm going to make it M for movies, otherwise I might get confused with minutes. 2.5 hours for the movies, right? So if 1 hour is 60 minutes, 0.5 of an hour, that's 30 minutes, right? And if you have questions about how we get that 0.5 an hour is 30 minutes, then you can come and talk to me during office hours. But what we know now is we know that I'm going to spend 22 hours, H for hours, and 30 minutes, M for minutes, on the movies. But wait, there's more. The problem then goes on to say, I do need breaks after all, that I take 15-minute breaks between each movie. Notice it does not say that I take a break at the end or at the beginning. I only take a break wherever there's one of these pink lines, which shows when I am, let's actually delete this arrow to show I'm not taking a break here, I'm not taking a break here. I'm only going to take a break between each movie, right? So the reason that I know that is because each one of these is a movie, right? This is a movie, this is a movie, so this is between a movie. This is a movie, and this is a movie, so this is between a movie. Since I take 15-minute breaks between each movie, I know that this is going to be 15 minutes, this is going to be 15, this is going to be 15, and so on, right? So how many of those do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 breaks. I'm going to take 8 breaks. Each break is 15 minutes. So I'm going to say that I have 8 groups of 15, or 8 breaks. Each one is 15 minutes. 8 times 15, 8 times 5 is 40. 4 down there. 8 times 1 is 8, times plus another 4 is 12. So now that's 120 minutes. Since an hour is 60 minutes, I can break this into 60 and 60, or an hour and another hour. So we're actually adding 2 hours to my time, right? I have the 22 hours and 30 minutes just for the movies, but then I have 2 hours, I was supposed to be orange, 2 hours for breaks. Need to get my popcorn, need to get my M&Ms, 22 hours plus 2 hours, 24 hours! 24 hours! Plus how many minutes? Plus, don't forget this, plus, that looks like 9.
I didn't get that.
That's
Could
okay,
you try
Siri,
again?
I'm not talking to you anyway. 24 hours plus 30 minutes. So if you want, you don't actually have to convert the 0.5, you can if you want to, but in the end, 22 hours and 30 minutes plus another 2, I get 24 hours and 30 minutes. It's over a day. It takes me over a day to complete this binge watch. So in all, turns out I'm probably not going to do this today. So, sorry that this part of the video wasn't working. I hope it didn't make it too confusing. I also realized there's a lot of color and a lot of stuff going on here. But we are going to be doing this during class today, so if you come to class, great, you can work on it with us. And if you don't come to class, also okay, understandable. Talk to a friend or come to our office hours and we can talk it through then. Bye, scholars. I love you and I miss you.